Hi everyone, welcome to the last episode of the topic Grab. Okay, so I'm Carolyn, and then I hope you guys actually enjoyed my last episode of GrabMart. So in this episode, I'm actually going to teach you guys on two interesting features called the gift card and also Express. So want to know more about it? Please stay tuned to the video, okay? And then also stay tuned to my end of the video to actually answer some of my questions to win away some prizes from me. So you guys will still start pressing the app, open the Grab app, GRAB, okay? So once you open the Grab app, right, okay, same thing, it's still you appear on the main page, and then today we're actually going to learn Grab Express. So you're actually pressing on the Express, okay? So on the parcel, there's this little parcel icon. So once you actually click on it, it's actually very simple. Okay, we actually will come to this page of this having like this two address. So for now, okay, I'm going to actually select the address. So always have to understand that Grab Express is always a place for you to send item whenever you need to urgently. So what you're going to do, you can actually use on this app, which is very convenient. Okay, so now I'm actually inputting my address. Okay, so now I'm actually at the current place of Toa Payoh, and actually I want to send it to Hougang. So once I actually inputted the address, okay, straight away, okay, it's very straightforward. Straight away there's this total amount of this $13.30 that will actually just come out. Okay, so you can actually, if you're actually just sending to just one location, right, then okay, you can just, okay, done. But I'm going to show you more, okay, that this app is able to do is able to actually send it to even more location. Okay, so I'm actually continue to add, okay, I'm continuing to add in more location. So always remember, Grab this Express that you're going to send parcel or send whichever things, right, you are able to send like a shot to many location. Okay, this app, this function here is able to allow you to send to many location. So as you can see from what I'm doing, you can actually have this at the right hand side, right, there's this three little small icon, tree, sun, right, this icon. So this icon actually allows you to actually swap around the location, but always remember, once you swap around the location, the amount also changes, you know, as and when you swap it. Okay, so because it's also because of a distance, or because, you know, it's kind of a detour, so the pricing, it's also like more expensive. So once you actually done it already, okay, you don't want, okay, you can just press exit away. Okay, I'm just showing an example. So this one is able to. So if you actually have more than one item that you want to send to one location, okay, example, you want to send it to 3 of your friends, you can use this. Okay, and then the price is I would say it's pretty reasonable. Okay, and then you can see whether the price is something that you like or not. Okay, so I'm going to cancel off the 2 other location. I'm just going to do on one. Okay, I X away, and then you come to the main page. Okay, and then you can actually select an instance of 4 hours. So for instance, right, it's a pickup within 15 minutes and drop off within 60 minutes. So this is pretty interesting because instant is I pick up now and I drop off within the next 1 hour. So your friend, it will confirm picked up and received. Okay, your friend definitely will receive it in the next 1 hour. And then the 4 hours one, it's they will actually pick up for you within like the 2 hours lah. And then after which they will send it to you, to your friends or families within 4 hours. But then most importantly, you also can see that the price, okay, there's also a changes in terms of price. For 4 hours, the price is like cheaper, because if you can wait, the price is cheaper. But then for instance, the price is actually more expensive. So 4 hours, you see the price straight away dropped to $7.30. That's like around almost $6 differences. So for today, I'm going to do like 4 hours, okay, and you actually continue to add the delivery details. So in Grab, as mentioned in the last 3 episodes, the delivery detail is always so important that you cannot you must give the app or the sender, the rider, the correct address, so you can actually send it to the right place. So on the recipient itself, okay, you can actually put in those that is with your contact card. So example, now I put in Sally, right? But I do have a friend called Sally, so the mobile don't actually automatic come out. So now actually I put the name like Jia Xing, for example, then this contact number come out, okay, and then shows the address that I want to go. And always remember to check the unit number. So for this is also important because they will actually ask like what is the item that you need send lah. So for example, now it's like it's fragile item, so you can actually put in the note, so you can actually allow or let the sender know, right, what you're actually going to send and what is the kg and all. So it's better as well, so you can actually always remember that you have to pack your things carefully, okay, and then after which, right, so it's easier for you to kind of like to do it, okay. And then once everything okay already, then you can actually sort of book a delivery, and then you can actually wait for a rider to actually attend to you, okay. So you can just pass the item to a rider. So that's it for Express, okay. It's very direct, very straightforward, okay. Some new and interesting features that you guys can actually explore out, okay, on Grab. And then the next one that I'm actually going to teach you guys, okay, it's on gift cards. So Grab got this interesting features, okay, on gift cards. So this is something that you can actually will be some additional features that you don't use it on a daily basis, because I would say it's a very practical gift, okay, and it's not difficult to use. It's called the gift card function. So once you actually press on the gift card, right, okay, you can actually choose what is it. So gift card in general for Grab gift, okay, the word gift you tells us that it's like a present already. So you can remember to select the right location, okay, Singapore, okay, once you actually enter in. So you can actually choose either is it a ride voucher or food voucher. So like I mentioned previously, ride is on, you can use it on transport, and then on Grab there's a lot of people who use these two functions on food and on ride. So you can actually choose on it. So you can actually choose on a voucher type, right, whether you want to use ride, food, or even on like the mart itself. So it's actually very clear cut lah, okay. So for me, I will actually choose on ride because I find that it's very practical for a gift, as a birthday gift or gift to a friend. Sometimes we have difficulties choosing a present. Like we always have a very difficult time to choose a present of what we want to give and what we want to send to our friends. So I think such functions or such things that comes in very conveniently, it also makes our life easier of thinking of what to give. So it's interesting because once you actually select whether you want like a food, mart, or ride, you can select the design. So in terms of design wise, right, you can't actually like customize or whatever lah. So but they have actually, there's quite a fair bit of things for you to choose. So you can actually choose like the words that you want to give, and then you can select the value. Always remember the value is not very high, so you can probably like do a multiple of the different value. So there's like the maximum hit is like 20. Okay, the maximum key is like 20. Okay, so you can just select it on 20, and then you can select in terms of the quantity. Okay, direct, very direct. And then you can send the gift card to yourself, or you can send it to the recipient with a personalized message. So usually it's a birthday lah, usually it's a birthday or either or, whether is it like a practical gift like Christmas, people will start to give or such things. So I feel that this one is really, really, really very, very practical. Okay, so just remember this is important because the email is very important, because it's like a e-card, so they actually will send it directly right to the person itself, so they can actually receive it and they can use it. So you can actually send your message as well, okay, like happy birthday, hope you like it, or whatever, anything that it's that you want to write. Okay, you can actually write it in a message. So after writing, you can just submit. Okay, there's this tick. Okay, so the whole process is actually very simple. It's like quite dummy lah. Just follow the process on step 1 all the way down. After that, you have to add to cart lah, because you have to purchase it. Top right hand corner, right, got this cart. So on the cart, right, okay, you can see we actually appear to the shopping cart page. So once proceed at the shopping cart page, just check whether is it correct, the price, the quantity. Okay, then you can just check out. So same thing, this is like I would say like your own all the different billing details before you can actually proceed on to checkout. And then after which, easy, the gift will be sent to your friend. Okay, and I hope that you can use this during this year, okay, Christmas or your friend's birthday. Try it, okay, and probably you'll feel that wow, this is the best gift that you actually ever sent it to your friend. So hope you guys enjoy this video today. So my question is for today is for gift card, what is the highest amount that you can actually select, okay? That you can select, okay, on the app, okay? So please actually type in your answer into my comments box below. So I repeat the question again, okay? So what is the highest amount, okay? What is the highest amount that the gift card can actually take in, the highest amount that you can actually take in, and then to send it to your friend as a gift, okay? So I hope you actually enjoy my whole series of Grab, from transport to food to mart to this episode of Express and also gift card, okay? So I hope to see you soon, and remember to like, subscribe and share, and always follow Simple IT.